Hello and welcome YouTube. This is Stephen Mel 13 doing another box break of 2010 Topps Chrome Baseball. I do have one other one after this. I haven't decided if I'm going to break it or not. Please check out my eBay link at the on the tag section. It's there. Don't know what I'm going to list up and or when I'm going to do it, but I do plan to have some very nice cards up there. I already have a few very nice cards up there, so go check them out. Also, as I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be giving away some of the hits that I pull in the boxes once I get up to 20 subscribers. So please leave your comments, please subscribe, and once I get up to 20, I will start giving away some of the hits. I'm just going to show the hits in these breaks. I'm not going to go through all the cards. And first pack, we got a refractor of Brandon Phillips. If there is anything that you see that you like in these breaks, you could obviously comment or email me. My email address is stephenmel13@aol.com. And this pack's all base. Hoping for a nice Strasburg autograph. That would be wonderful. Got another refractor, John Lakey. Starlin Castro rookie, Ike Davis rookie, and two base. I'm going to try to have new videos up every Thursday evening if new product comes out. I hope to do at least 1 to 2 boxes of the new product. And just base in that pack. We got a refractor, Freddie Sanchez. And there's all base. All base. And we got Ian Stewart, Topps Heritage. That's numbered out of 1961. And we got an Ichiro refractor. One of our autographs, Alex Burnett. So nothing very exciting there. And we got a National Chicle, Pablo Sandoval. And that's numbered to 999. And a refractor, Curtis Granderson for the Yankees. All base in that pack. All base in that pack. All base in that pack. and a refractor, very off-cut, of Jorge Posada. I see a blue refractor in here. It's a rookie autograph, Josh Donaldson. Believe it or not, I've pulled 3 of those already. Numbered out of 199. We got a base refractor of Carlos Gonzalez. Three packs left. Very unexciting box, unfortunately. Not even a Strasburg rookie. It's the second box tonight with no Strasburg in it. All base. And the last pack. Refractor, Gordon Beckham. And the rest base. Alright everyone, thanks for looking. As I said, check out my eBay auctions. I do have some very nice cards up there right now. Also, be sure to subscribe to my videos. As I said, once I get up to 20 subscribers, I'm going to start giving away some of the hits from these boxes. So be sure to check that out. Thanks.